for a YouTuber when they are deconstructing and reconstructing. As you can see, I got bins everywhere. I've got stuff everywhere. My table, I brought in Halloween, taking down fall. I've got a mess. Anyways, this is my grandmother's buffet. And every year I bring in this really old mirror. And I'm not exactly sure what I'm put here, but I think I might put my 3 haunted houses that I made. So let me figure it out and I'll come back and show you what I did. Well, there's my little friend Sailor. Okay, so I have just put a little bit of creepy cloth up there and then these 2 table runners, one in the black and white harlequin print. And because this table's so wide, I just put it's kind of a rusty orange under it. So I am going to be busy decorating for Halloween. And then after Halloween, I will go back, take all that down, and probably do a little bit of Thanksgiving. Huh, Sailor? Okay, so I have put my 3 houses here. These are houses that I made. The form was just from the Dollar Tree, and I painted each one a little differently and decorated it. And then I found these from Temu. They are branches. They're plastic, but I want to use those as some creepy Halloween trees. I just need to figure out how to put those in. And then I love these. I found these over at Dollar General. These dried mossy pumpkins. The large one was $3 and the little ones were $1 each. I ended up getting 2 sets of those and I'd like to use them somehow. Now, I got to figure out a light source if I'm just going to run a strand of mini lights back here or what. I don't know yet. So anyways, I'm working on it. I also want to find my Spanish moss. And that's still in a bin somewhere. So this may not get completed today. So I'm not going to finish this project today because I can't find my Spanish moss and I've got too many bins to go hunting for it. So I ordered some on Amazon. It'll be here tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you what I am doing. I am taking some floral picks and those black branches and I'm just inserting them in foam and I'm making my own trees. This one here is just a floral, but I like the orange color. So I'm just going to set my trees in. Really think they look good, actually. And then when I get my Spanish moss, I can get everything covered up and tucked in and then maybe put a few characters out here. And I switched out the creepy cloth to black instead of that white that I had up there. I like that better. Still haven't figured out lights yet, but I'll get it figured out. So anyways, this is all I have for you today. And I don't know if I'll show you the final results or just show you little bits and pieces of what I am doing and then come back and show you the results when I have my home tour. But it's looking good. I like the way it looks so far. And I wanted to tell you, I am not doing all scary Halloween. I like to do cute and then whimsical. And I do have some scary. This isn't scary. I think this is more cutesy whimsical. But, so I don't want to scare you away. Don't stay away because you think I do all scary, because I don't. All right, you guys, that is it for today, and I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye for now.